why I come here now, come talk to you, say I no like him. So that you no go reach the stage when I go to fuck you up.
Wait. If you reach that stage, for example, you go fit do me something. I just ask.
Osas, if you fuck me up, I feel fuck you up. Well.
Like which kind of fucking up? Let me know.
Unless now waiting you want, I go give you the example. Wait, unless now waiting you want. Listen, Osas, unless now waiting you want from me, I go give it to you. I dey talk to you. I can't talk to you now.
Because
make
for
you for
to
no.
even mention that thing, I tell you be one spoil everything. I be one ask you something to say. You they threaten me.
Tell you say
everybody
me no like
don't threaten me. All of them dey 6 feet. No, sir. I don't be all those gossip. Don't threaten me, bro.
Osas,
I like you.
all those gossip. Me no dey like am. You hear me?
Everybody will don't talk about me. All of them they down.
If you they use noise cover, you know why they use noise cover? Because na TikTok talk.
Bros, if now another grand, I'll still talk. You don't know me.
No. It's okay. Now TikTok, now talk. We go talk.
Fear anybody.
I tell you now. I tell you say,
even for Nigeria,
make that day be the last time when you go bring my issue. Listen, Osas, make that day be the last time when you go bring my issue on TikTok. You bring my issue on TikTok for waiting you know nothing about.
Nobody bring your issue.
You don't know my situation. You don't know what I go through. You don't know what I struggle for. Bros, you no go get the mind to carry my matter come out when they talk sensitive issue like that. And I tell you now say I no like him. You try to one bring out right. You won't try to bring out you won't use noise cover him. So that you don't go acknowledge the person and fuck up with that. You don't know say you fuck up, Osas.
I can never fuck up because I know what I do.
Me tell you now waiting me the
I don't talk about you.
You know my status. You talk about me, Osas.
Listen, let me for know where we come from. Listen.
I listen to you, Oga.
If you know the listen, I listen to you clearly. And
I listen to you clearly. And which way you talk, it no make sense. And even you know say it don't make sense. That's why they use shame to cover up. But I'm telling you the truth. If you continue like this, I will get issue with you. I'm telling you.
You still they do this thing.
This not the first time when you do this thing.
I know they like her. No, they
this
do
not
this
the
thing.
first time. You dey do it for my
front. I want
front.
make you better. Different. No, they threaten me.
Osas, you know what make I better. If you want make I better, you go ask me where I need
help. You know go fit meet up.
Osas, you know what make I better. You know what make I better. You know mean well for me.
For this life.
Osas, you know mean well for me. Osas, you know mean well for me. You never mean well for me. And you will never mean well for me. Listen to me. Let I tell you something. I dey tell you say that thing when you do that day, that's my game when you play that day. So the day when you play that mind game again, I no go take am with you.
Bastard, so bastard.
Which am na me go tell you say bastard. I can't tell you wetin dey vex me. You no go tell me make a bastard. You go listen to me. You no go tell me make a bastard. Na me dey tell make a bastard. No. I dey tell you wetin. I hear you clearly saying it, Osas.
No, sir.
And you know they deny.
No, sir.
But you don't want to admit say you fuck up. That's why you dey use noise, they cover up. But I'm telling you, if you do am again, you don't go like what I go do you.
Wetin I do? I call you, ask you.
You call me for phone, yes.
How it happen, right? I ask you, I don't ask you. I just start to
you call me for phone, ask me.
Ask you question. Do not hear from me. That thing where you talk, did you know the foundation of faith? Did you know? You don't even know how we take
Osas, waiting you talk on TikTok. Now come back to TikTok. Can't tell you say no, they do that kind of thing again. That thing
TikTok, I don't
not
give
they
a
do those kind of things.
You
know why they tell you this thing? I they tell you these things because I give you that respect as a brother and a person when I don't meet one-on-one. Osas, my personal life, I know they use until they play love.
You tell me your personal life.
Listen.
You tell me your personal life.
If you carry yourself, put for everywhere. Open your life. My own are private. If you
Which
want to talk
private?
about
Are you private person?
I'm a private person.
How?
My life is private.
How you take private?
My personal life is private.
If you private, you're not supposed to get TikTok app. You're not supposed to get anything.
Osas.
Yeah. You're not private, bro.
Osas, this is what you they do now. So you they do this thing because
you know what you do.
Osas,
if you hear
what
from
you
me,
try
I
to
go
do.
listen to you. If
Osas,
person say you cause
you know what you they try to do.
See what I hear.
You they try to cover. You they try to cover the shame of your fuck up. But now because na TikTok talk, that's why they do this. If now one-on-one, we dey discuss this thing, you don't go do this thing.
Yeah, Jackson.
And it could make you get out for my say. I don't tell you today. Waiting be today.
You see, go there again, say because say na TikTok. If now another grant, I don't know if talk.
Today na
15th.
Today na 15th.
I mean that because they are quiet like this.
Osas, today na 15th of June.
No, they do
you understand?
If you want better,
if you today na 15th of June. If you anytime next time when I go hear this kind of word for your mouth for plenty of people, You just come out on people. You just bring.
No,
just wanted people. You wanted people say, "Are they stranded for UK?"
I not tell you
that day go be the last. That day go be the last day when I go join your platform, and that day I go do you bad thing. Osas, I feel do you something, but you my guy.
Now this thing. Wait.
I tell you true. I feel do you something. Not the things I know feel do you something because you asked me that question and I feel whether I go feel do you something. Osas, you go they sound funny to you because on TikTok you don't know what.
Okay.
The thing when you do you so,
finish.
that's in a winch behavior.
You don't finish.
The next time when you want to do and make it not be with my name or my personal life.
Okay,
if not, you don't go like me. You gonna say that time you don't go like
now,
me.
Because I leave you make you talk. You don't true.
Which one you leave me make I talk? I don't tell you what I get to tell you.
Make I talk now. You want to hold my mouth.
Which one be true? You dey talk at the talk.
Continue.
I don't tell you what I get to tell you. Make that thing no happen again. If it happen again, you no go like me. You go no say every good person get bad side.
It don't finish.
That's all. That's what I fit tell you.
It don't finish.
You carry my issue, come TikTok, come talk. I not tell you say I dey stranded for UK. I not tell you say I dey struggle to survive. I not tell you say I dey suffer for UK. You just come and tell people say I dey suffer, say may they help me.
May I remind you something?
Which kind of wish behavior be that?
May I remind you something? You know, say for your platform they don't talk about me well. Which one don't come for you threatening
you? You say
now. May I remind you? Maybe they remind you something.
You
know, say TikTok no they forget anything. For your whole platform, they don't bring me down, and you don't go another place.
Me personally,
don't bring me down.
Osas, me
personally, say, I don't ask you.
Osas, me personally, I be people for my platform.
No, for your whole platform, whether they play a record then that time, what do you do?
Whether they play which record?
Record now. I be my start
record of who?
AB. May I remember you?
AB.
Yeah.
Which AB? AB no, AB no play any record. Listen to me.
Wait, play WhatsApp. What did you do?
Listen, AB no play your record.
Do anything, bro. You never call me for phone.
Osas.
Did I ask you? No, I don't ask you. I just quiet.
Somebody talk about me.
Osas,
me they say you. You they talk about somebody else. Not they use all those children brain.
They don't do it for your own platform.
I don't tell you, Osas. This time, that thing where you do that day. I just they watch you for your mind. Now person tell me.
No,
listen,
no,
I just they watch you.
Wow.
If you don't understand what they talk,
listen
to me. If you understand, take what I tell you. Very important. Osas,
okay, fine. I listen to you. Wait, make I talk.
This matter not support anyway. More talk.
No, let's say you want ask this thing for me. I want tell her something about me now. I be very simple guy. You understand? I respect people, both young and elder. You understand? I know they like to show myself. I always calm myself down, say I not be anybody. I be nothing. You understand? So far, if you dey close to me, where you really know me, you know my capacity. Wetin I fit do. I know they threaten people. Never. I can never. I no go fit beat you. I no go fit kill you. I no go fit do you anything. But only prayer, I get prayer when I dey pray for people wey offend me. I believe say wetin we talk that day is not all about offense. I not offend you like to mock you or whatever. No.
That is what you did.
No, listen now.
That's exactly what I heard.
Listen to me now.
I listen to you talk.
You know they listen. Do you want me to say
I beg, Osas, 1 minute to.
Make I talk. Let me talk with you.
Osas, I beg 1 minute. Different. You heard.
I'll call the pressures come here.
You were.
I not with them. I not with them.
Make I call the pressures come here. Because I like
Osas,
you.
wait, Osas, I better not verse. Different. You heard or you were here.
I was not here. That's why they pay me. I they listen from down.
You feel listening now?
No, sir. No, sir, you mean say if I did FYP now or I did for comment section?
No, you say you not there. That means in a person.
I'm not there for up now. Which one? Because I see you dey talk. Right? You not go listen to me well. Take careful how you pull man for this.
Different. No worry.
This issue should not be paddy issue. Now my personal life will talk. No, sir, I beg.
Me
if
they
you want
beg
pull
you.
man, I beg. You know how to pull man for this issue.
No, sir.
I know. Osas.
Somebody they tell people say them go help me say I need help. When you don't know my situation, I they tell them say I don't like him. Say na next time be that. You they look for how to support the issue.
Talk about everything.
Give fresh.
I can't talk with that one. I be small people.
Wait. Okay. London boy, be like say you there here that day, Abi.
No, I'm not
I be
there.
small people.
I don't know. Okay, make I call the precious from D-Fresh. You want
I wanted to call anybody.
No, because in 1 year, Can I cut?
No, sir, I hear
Osas,
I hear everything.
Osas, I beg, I feel just talk for 1 minute.
You want come best make time with you.
I greet everybody.
Can't children behave your
You don't talk anyhow. I never talk to you.
The reason
Osas they talk anyhow now.
Because you don't talk children behavior. Don't talk.
No. Now TikTok talk. So you can talk anything. If na Osas, you don't know what you do.
I dey beg.
Because na TikTok now you make people tell me that.
Now wetin I know they like.
I dey beg when I wanna let me talk.
Osas, I dey tell you true.
Osas,
my personal life now you dey talk about.
G-Fresh, you don't do
my personal life, my own life.
Me
when I know they insult anybody. When I
You tell me about your life.
Talk anyhow for my own personal life, Osas. You carry my matter conjunction and the things I don't like. Instead of you say sorry, you want proof.
Leave this guy.
G-Fresh, wait.
I don't like
Hold on,
Osas,
just wait. Osas, wait.
Don't follow me. I don't like him.
Osas, may you relax first.
No, they follow me. They do all those kind.
Osas, how they follow the do Osas, relax first. Relax. Jibas, talk with you one talk. I did very surprised. I say this kind of thing they happen, because normally I don't know what is up, but the one where I gather so far from being on this life just a short period of time, G-Fresh, I not come here can't judge anybody, but I not support the way you approach this matter. That's my only thing where I feel tell you here. I'm not here to side anybody. You be my guy, Osas na my guy. You know understand? But the way you approach this matter, now the wrong way, brother. You know understand? Everybody body they hot. Not be say this thing. The way you approach this matter, now fuck up, brother. And normally you get Osas.
The matter.
G-Fresh, I never talk finish, Baba. I beg, Make you let me finish. I'll come down soon. You get Osas number, but you not get Osas number, G-Fresh.
Osas no get my number before you come TikTok.
No, wait, now just ask.
That's bias.
So no, not be bias question.
Let's talk for TikTok. I come TikTok. You don't blame me already.
No. Na simple question that they ask you, G-Fresh. Na simple question they ask you. You get Osas number, but you no get Osas number.
I get Osas number. No, Osas get my own.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so normally you hear some.
Go kill this piece of my you the crazy piece of my. Don't you ever in your life have me for this conversation? Don't you ever in your life? Don't you ever tag me? Don't tag me in comment section. I don't tell you the find it is over a year plus. This stupid girl they find me over a year plus. I'm keeping you calm.
You mute her. Something important they go on. We don't climb up. They talk something else.
I don't mute her.
The only thing when I see for here be say this matter should have been handled diplomatically. G-Fresh, you get Osas number. Okay, you don't hear something where they say Osas talk. You know date here. As a guy,
I hear him talk, bros. I was at work. Yes.
Okay, my apologies. As a guy man where you be, you suppose control Osas based on say you get a number. Say man, Osas, what did they suck? Why you they yarn like this? You don't understand. Not be say you can't come in platform, they shout, they talk the way you they talk. Brother, see this UK
you just joined this life.
It never to tell when I joined, but the way
you don't know how it is start and be that. No,
wait, different. No, I know they blame one side. Now your approach to the matter and I bring me up, man, brother. I know they come up. What you concern me concern TikTok. Now the way you approach this matter, Osas my guy, you be my guy. You they talk one kind. Like say you will threaten Osas. You don't know say that place where you did G-Fresh before you enter UK, man, don't date the UK. You don't know say man, now let body man go press. You know if you sleep for house. Why you they threaten Osas? Me they ask you question. Why you they threaten Osas? Osas not be your guy. I be you get bad mind for Osas, G-Fresh. You get where teeth suck before where we say nobody know because your approach now, brother. I don't understand. I know they back Osas up. I know they back Osas. I don't know what happen, but now your approach.
Okay, you don't know what happen, but you don't take side.
Yes, your approach not good. Different.
But you don't take side. But you don't take side.
No.
You don't even know how the issue started today.
Different. No. Wait, man. See, your approach, brother. As a guy man where you be, you suppose handle this matter, like a matured man. Not be say you come Osas platform, come on the men down for him platform. No, they not they work like that, brother. You know how many people they listen to? You know how many people they listen to this thing where you they
I feel tell you something, Jibas. With all due I respect you a lot, and as you see be my person, I tell you something where you don't understand. When this issue, when I come up here, I tell Osas, say, you get what you do last time, say no go well with me. Say how you go come they want they mock me for present of people. I not tell you don't know my status for the countryside. Why you go to tell people say may they help me for paper? When me
so
no
that one,
there,
that one I one-on-one talk.
You know,
so that one I one-on-one talk. That one I one-on-one talk.
Wait, make I let Jibas know where this thing reach.
You know you're good direct like that.
Wait. I won't let Jibas understand where this thing reach here because he come for road. He know like the way I dey shout. That's why he dey reason like that. But he don't know how I reach here. Do you believe say Osas not let me finish that word?
G-Fresh.
Yeah, he begin to talk on top of my voice. They say I dey shout, I dey talk anyhow.
No,
and you say make I begin clap for am.
No. Now your approach, now me dey talk.
Now the approach now. I come here, come discuss.
Now the approach, brother. You the man down. You the man down. They're not supposed to be like that. We're all grown men.
You don't follow this matter. Are they verse? Jibas, I beg. I no figure issue.
No.
Are they verse?
No. No, you don't figure. You don't figure.
This matter. No, come out. Calm down, make you understand this matter before you go mad, so that you don't go play day one side. I don't like the way you see.
London boy, what were you going to say?
No be so the way you say and Jibas. I beg, make you understand this issue before you talk.
G-Fresh for London boy. The righteous 1 minute.
Please, G-Fresh, you get everybody when you want blame anybody now, you they go feel blame because if Osas, you get Osas number. You're not supposed to bring this thing come up because people when they
Osas not get my number.
How they talk that one?
Can I say something? Can I say something? Can I say something?
Your friend carry you on TikTok and they mock you. You say make I go WhatsApp, go ask him. You smoke it, go
G-Fresh.
I don't understand.
Can I say something? Can I say something?
This one again.
Let us go. No.
See, I for call him for WhatsApp. He don't get my number. He call me.
Refresh me. You
I don't
calm
understand
down.
how they reach.
Refresh, calm down, beg.
Refresh, calm down. Osas, your guy.
Osas get my number. He leave me. Osas don't know my status for UK. They go and ask me for TikTok.
G-Fresh.
You dey say make me do bad. I tell them I don't like him.
Refresh, calm down.
The righteous wait. They say when we see truth, and I don't go say more better. If I'm to judge this thing, waiting I'll talk. Yes, G-Fresh. If you think of this thing, maybe say maybe you say Osas talk. Wait allow me talk finish. You go know say Osas never mean of any bad.
Yeah.
You understand? But the way you take come, they ask him. I not go sit talk and say you ask in a you not ask in a rude way. It wasn't rude. And me myself not really quick code how waiting you they talk until after some time we be say I can't understand. It would have been very simple. Say as you be talking. Osas for your talk and say, G-Fresh, not before bad things, relax. Now you're talking based on guy man. Now you're lock him up. But the issue of say maybe can they drag, it not make sense. But who I go blame? Like that person when he can't carry phone, can't call you, can't they tell you waiting Osas talk. You know, say sometime, I dey always hold on my people. I dey always talk and when person can't tell una some certain things, when person can't tell una when person can't tell you something, make you understand, say, not be how that person go tell you, not be so that person go talk up. I will say maybe
tell
you
me
yourself.
they watch now, they
G-Fresh,
listen.
according to waiting you hold on, G-Fresh, wait.
Why don't they like say somebody tell me?
G-Fresh, wait
me
now.
Ask me whether na person tell me, I go tell you.
G-Fresh, wait. According to when me ask you before, when even for this platform, now the way they talk and it was like, say, you
now
make
me
believe,
when in the talk.
G-Fresh, 1 minute now. I just tell you with my understanding. You make me believe, say, waiting you here. That simply means say person can't tell you. It should have just been I was there.
Okay, you don't understand that. Now make I correct that. Now waiting I hear him talk.
G-Fresh, wait.
I know you don't understand.
Hold on, G-Fresh.
You know, like say the twister.
G-Fresh, I know they twist anything. I know they blame you. Whoever I blame, hold on now. Whoever I blame, now the person will come.
You not go blame who do something and who talk about them. Now you won't blame.
The only way, different wait. Wait now. The only way we take blame Osas here now. The only way we take blame Osas here now. Now when you talk him, if for no longer, should have just cut him. But that very day when they say maybe Osas talk, and if he be say maybe Osas want talk something here, Osas not go ever fit talk something to take mock you. Una for no dragon reach out na take dragon so. Difference not vessel. I don't know say that thing verse you. But you for call me now. And again, difference for you to come sit on talk up for platform here. You know, say some how you take get pride. Now so other people say take get pride. Una for just keep this thing short. If for no reason why people come they say I want to do you this, this one. More they take and easy, brother. And if you really not there here that day, except say you there here. If you really not there here that day, say na person can't tell you. See, make we nominalize the make we stop all this something of say maybe you not there somewhere. Person can't tell you can't carry a high.
So but who say I know day? Who say I know day? Now very simple way. Who say I know day here?
The way I tell understand them when you they talk and before
I say waiting I hear from him.
No, you say how you take here.
You
but
say
how you
hear from the person.
Osas, if I dey comment section, they listen to.
You say how you hear Osas.
The way you take come difference. The only thing I feel your blame say you not come, but the way you take come, you not come in a very rude way. Osas should have just cut it short. You not talk him in a very rude way when you approach Osas now. Osas suppose just cut and short, say no vest. Sometimes no vest not go take anything away from us.
No sir, wait. I want to correct something. I as he hear something say see wetin I talk. Okay, fine. I don't deny say I don't talk anything like that. I can't tell and say okay. Let me explain how the foundation thing happen so that you go understand where we they go, right?
You know, let me finish, Osas.
You know, you wait. You hear from somebody, right?
I not hear from. I hear from you. Say, when I know they carry this in, they give another person.
You swear you say you hear from me.
I hear from you. I was watching.
No, you go feel swear.
Osas, you say no juju again.
No, you go feel swear. No, be say I want
bring make what I mean go feel swear.
Yes,
on top you destroying. Wait, on top you spoiling my name.
No, because you still a claim rights. You are trying to claim that right.
Okay, so are they wrong?
Different.
Osas, so you are they wrong?
Wait, may I bring the girl come here? I bet Mona your wait. Make the pressure.
No, Osas, you know they need this thing.
No. Now she.
Osas now talk about WhatsApp.
No, I want to make the pressure stop so that
Osas, precious not need today.
Now the pressure.
No, Osas, all this thing go.
Osas, I was there that day.
Make the pressure stop.
Bro, now all this dragging.
Osas, issue with the long.
Now what you Osas define. Now what you Osas define.
Osas issue with the long.
Now what you Osas. That's why it bring my issue.
The righteous.
I hear you, brother.
The righteous.
Brother, I hear you.
Una fit just allow the pressure say something.
You know why?
If I wrong, I'll just apologize.
Brother, Matt,
I
not be anything bad.
Brother, Matt, tell you something.
Who she want talk to now?
Osas, never agree.
Mommy Angel, I beg 1 minute, I beg. No, Mommy Angel, hold on.
You let other people talk.
The righteous talk.
Osas, you know they needed. If you not like when I explain for nothing tomorrow, people will carry this talk. The talk will pass here. They'll come say, Osas say.
Exactly. You don't need at all.
So all this one when I want to say, this one can't explain, that one can't explain. Now just fall in hand. You understand? So as it be so, G-Fresh, you don't make mistake. Osas, you don't make mistake. Wait till does sub. Make the matter die like that. And so you'll be.
No. Wait till me come here. Me no come here.
No, you don't do G-Fresh.
Everywhere,
bros, if you dey explain again, Osas go see explain.
No. Not the first. He say make I
G-Fresh.
But if somebody have something, let them just speak it out now. No need of it's okay.
Just frame something.
The righteous, don't worry, calm down, make it talk.
G-Fresh, what thing they be say? You see this pattern, the way you they see him, they different from the way Osas they see him. You understand? Osas they see him in another way. As you say, he won't help your friend. And
you know my status before you go help me.
Calm down now. Calm down. My talk finish. You go talk.
I'm down, beg.
You understand? But you they see him in another way. When person tell you, And when person tell you something, you go use another thing, take tell you, and you go believe him. Assuming say you dey here when that
I dey here.
Wait now, different. The man now. Don't forget this thing. Assuming say you dey here that day when this thing happen, you for come up. You come up that day to interject the matter, say make them stop immediately. Do you understand? So the way you dey reason them and the way your stars dey reason are two different things. You understand me? So this matter now be say make you just forget this matter. As you don't consider me, you know like me because I just okay. I'm sorry. You know go happen again. Finish. Everybody go.
But you can't follow me. They shout say whether we get.
Two of na to get pride. That is why.
Can I say what happened?
Two of na get pride. Just say you are so finished. You understand me?
Hello? Sorry, so can you guys hear me? That day...
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, so that day we were just
don't drop all the details.
32 people here or so. And then this was me just telling people like advice, what and what do I do, who I am, blah, blah, blah. And I started speaking about work, immigration, asylum, blah, blah, blah. And Osas just said, oh, G-Fresh Day as in there now. Why can't you help him? And I was like, oh, me? Anybody can ask me anything. Maybe G-Fresh already has his stuff, paper. And then Osas just said, okay, and locked up. It was like a 30-second conversation about G-Fresh. There was no even more like talk about it. That was the end. So why the issue?
Precious, thank you very much. I'm happy that Precious is not the kind of people that talks anyhow. Imagine Precious I'm coming now. I'm coming. Imagine Precious know my status. Wait now. Imagine Precious know my status. No secret about me. What would she have said? They will now bring me come for the junction. They will come to tear me.
No,
I didn't say I don't get my number.
Wait, Precious, wait. You they think far? Not be today, Osas, eh? People they come here with busy Osas. No say they know. They say, Mommy Angel, they there. I can remember when. Hold on, I can remember when this woman, what is it, Poco too. When they come, I wish you are Mommy Angel. Now, if I help you. It will put you to, you know, as Mommy Angel don't help a lot of people, not even Olekboko. A lot of people will say, don't talk, say, Mommy Angel, this guy, follow on now, he will help you, document everything. It not mean bad or anything. You understand? Since this pressure don't talk that thing, Osas means, well, when I did the same place, the pressure, you don't feel helper. Fine. As you come, you know, say the thing offend you. Why? For my own, blame me for the blame you not different. You say you there FYP, or you there comment section, you there, you there walk. Before you do, you walk finish. I believe Osas see the platform. You foresee climb up that very day, Osas. Why you come to talk about me? I don't like her now. But if you first ask me first, do not talk. After many days now, you can't come now. You can't they tell her. Okay, now you they tell her. Now they tell you say, it not me bad or anything. It's of you to calm down. You they use the word of threat. Now then you don't fucked up. As you talk that you see Osas they talk. You for your come down say, Osas, I just say me I just tell. Not like anything concern me. Not talk and me. I just say me I just tell me the thing come up from my mind. I don't go down. Bye bye. You understand? I believe Osas will see stop. Or you call and say Osas. I know say na TikTok if you talk this thing. I beg next time if you want. I know say you they help me. Oh, if you want redo this kind of thing next time, guy ask me first. I go tell you. Oh no, I don't want me. You come they talk. I beg. I don't want me anybody here. It don't finish. But the way you take come like say you they vex. You get Osas for mic before. Because you don't talk before you don't they talk, it was okay. Later, as they try to explain to you, so why the reason I like, okay, call my party now, call my son now, you don't they vex, anger, you don't they talk so sad. If you try me again, I go fuck you up, I go do this one, come on, my guy, go check the record again now. You don't too. I know say na TikTok Osas for talker. You want to talk what I'm again for TikTok. I know, but as you don't talk small, you be talk calm. Later, you know so sad don't they joke with you. So sad they talk. He can't they laugh, they joke with you, but you were still angry. You don't.
Okay, I should be happy.
You calm down. But it not be bad thing Osas be talk.
Oh, no be bad thing so Osas be talk.
Not be bad thing.
Please relax. G-Fresh, just relax.
I did not be bad thing.
I want to talk.
Osas know my status. Osas know my status for UK. Osas know the help when I need. Why go bring my matter on TikTok?
So anyway, Mona rest. You don't do okay. Different non-verse. You don't do.
Wait, mommy.
It's okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Listen, this word na very simple word. You understand? So, me, I be that kind of person wey be say, as I still there. So even when I come out for school that time, where I dey run up and down, I want to do. I still dey ask people. Even scenario where be Ghana person, I'll meet them for live video. They ask some questions. Say, see. I come for school. See, I want to do. I just believe say documents now idea. Now with the share for here that day, our people will say they talk. If people they UK in the share them. That means just they talk say, you have difference now. They show why you not help my guy difference because I believe say they work.
But me don't tell you say me need help.
Wait,
or me they find documents.
You wait, make I finish. I don't know say you don't get document. Not verse. Congratulations. I'm sorry if I talk about your matter for here. Say the matter don't end. It's okay now, right? I don't know say you don't get documents. Honestly, if I know, I will talk. You don't understand. People they we never get documents. So that made the matter rest because but only one thing when I'll tell you different, not they threaten me again. You don't even know me.
No. You have to apologize. No.
Anytime when say I beg wait.
No, you have to apologize for
Osas, I know threaten you. I tell you say because you refuse to listen.
Calm down.
That's why I tell you say. As you don't want to hear what they tell you, say I don't like her. If you continue to do it, you will see the other side of me. That's what I say, and that's what I keep saying.
No, wait now. You be my person. I need to tell you this secret. I beg. You understand? Because I don't want when you come be victim of it. Not threaten me. The bad side not the good for them. People who don't do.
Osas, if you do it, no good.
I know they do anything.
If you do it, no good. I go tell you say you don't.
No, you know why they tell you.
Because you don't agree say what you do no good.
If you send a lie now, go they ask people where we gotta go school.
Osas, I know they threaten you say I won't do you something. I tell you say I go do you anything.
One thing when I want to tell you, bros. You know, say I know.
No, they use that one. No, they use that one. They cover. Not use that one. They cover.
But I don't tell you sorry now, right?
You still tell me something. No, you still tell me something. So no, they use that one. Say they cover. No use.
Why you
use that? No. You not intimidate me of the words where we take argument. Listen. If the matter won't finish, none of us will finish up. If the matter, listen now. Make una wait. If the matter won't finish, now two of us will finish them. You know, if you finish my part, may you continue to the talk.
But I just apologize.
You know, they talk to small people. Now, different they talk to.
If
the matter don't finish, you say you don't realize why I difference. Okay, no verse. If the matter finish, we talk another thing. If you want continue to, you want tell me say, you want to raise yourself, man, on the floor.
I know raise my difference now.
No. There's no need to preach. Give me, I not be small picky.
Okay, wait. Okay, fine. I know say you be a good way me. So
Osas, not be say different. You don't talk and say Osas. You know say you don't talk. Tell us for years. I know say I new enter UK now. Everywhere never level.
Okay, I know one talk.
No, why you angry?
Because as they talk,
Mommy Angel.
I don't want to talk anything about time.
Mommy Angel.
I don't want to.
You say
wait. Mommy Angel. And you enter UK.
Yes.
Are you enter UK? Yes, which everybody, almost everybody, they are aware of it, right? So when you new enter country, we know say you go first wave you before you stand. That no mean say who are not tell my situation, go come frame something, come they ask for help for my back. That is mockery. Wait now, make you for understand me. That is mockery. Listen, there's difference between somebody helping you.
Mockery now.
No, you don't know what they find. In the tell them they help me for paper. You know what I mean? They find paper. That be the first question. Now that one they verse me. That is
okay.
You Osas don't come in for phone one day. Ask me how you feel.
Different.
Why you come on TikTok on this form good friend? No.
You don't even talk about paper at all. You don't talk about paper.
Listen.
But you take about the
Rate. When Osas they talk now after he don't talk, so okay, may we let the matter go. You don't tell him make he keep quiet.
I don't tell him.
No, you don't tell him say make he keep quiet. He don't accept say okay. He don't know say go first.
Now here we get saying this song.
Mommy Angel not tell him say Osas as far say una don't make we leave this matter. Now when I open mouth, all of them begin to become. I don't like that kind of biasness.
No, Osas don't tell you saying this song.
Okay, why he continue? Why you not tell him say leave this matter? Why when I remember tell me make wait now, when he continue to talk after I don't tell me sorry, why you not tell me make leave the matter? Why now when I want respond, you could tell me say make we leave this matter?
Okay, everybody, Mona wait.
I ask you Cross J. When he tell me sorry, come continue. Why you don't tell us let this matter go? Why when I want respond waiting he talk, you can't tell me make I let the matter go? That is biasness in the highest order.
Yes. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. Let this matter go. I don't know why
nobody they accuse me for anything.
This matter, everything. Let this matter
London boy. What do you know what now your matter? When in they talk now, I don't tell make you let the matter go. Now when I want to respond, you go tell me say make I let the matter go.
He's sorry. You understand?
If you don't know what you want to do,
very sorry.
You don't tell me sorry. He continue to the talk. I they look at almost
so different. You don't understand. You don't understand what he. So you don't understand what Osas they try talk. Osas they try tell you say man.
When he bring the threat in, not be the matter. Don't finish the matter. He hold on to the threat. He won't threaten me.
He just declare you. He just declare you because that guy man different. You not supposed.
Okay, he's supposed to clear. Me not supposed to clear.
Different. Ordinary talk when we talk now. Bullet
he's supposed to clear. Me not supposed to clear. The matter continue now.
You just say Osas now. Just normal.
My brother.
Because they do TikTok.
My brother, you are you the see me self?
Different. Forget matter. No, different. You know if you follow me get matter.
The way they reason this matter, the way they carry this matter, no like.
No, I
don't want follow you guys because of another person.
Now the way you take disrespect.
No, when they talk now, you don't tell them say, Osas, we don't apologize. Let's go. Now when I want respond, you won't tell me say I do talk.
No,
which kind of biasness is that? Not be small people that they deal with.
Different. Nobody be small picking here.
So why you gonna do like? Why you gonna do like?
And Osas saying he's sorry.
He don't tell me sorry. Me don't keep quiet. He continue to talk. He put himself on the screen, make it lecture. Who you want lecture?
He don't do. He don't do. Let's
Mona let Fresh talk.
I be small pikin.
No argue.
Which one be? He don't tell me sorry. I say okay. We don't leave matter. He put himself on the screen. One can lecture me waiting to talk. Waiting not to talk. He dey talk to him pikin.
Okay,
and you try to support him because I say I don't like you. He go clear me, maybe he no go clear him.
Nobody
won't clear me. Me no go clear him. He won't clear him. Say I no good. For him, he clear me. Which kind of biasness be that? Some of us dey TikTok. Everybody know where he belong. Forget say we respect everybody here. Person they talk here, we don't finish matter. He continue to put himself on screen. He won't begin the lecture me waiting to talk, waiting not to talk. You don't tell and say don't do, say the matter don't close. Now when me respond to them, you can't tell me say me to talk. I for let's go. Which kind of bias myself be that? I be small picky. Anybody know they bring all those women gossip behavior? Come meet me here. I know they that group. Oh. If you want talk normal talk. You see what you have
to so for the UK now, wait. So for the UK. Wait, difference. May I your talk because I not really too get time for all this kind of nonsense. But now the way you take disrespect,
no. It depends.
Now the way you take disrespect this guy. So for the UK where you did now, for the UK, wait for the UK where you did now. You say
forget about UK where you did. Make you forget this.
No, wait first. I want you one question. I want you one question.
If not, what it makes sense you want to talk.
So for the UK where you where you did
now, no get time for nonsense. Me no get time to listen to nonsense.
For the UK where you did, for the UK where you did now, you think you feel say person they will stand for you.
There's no need for me to listen to nonsense, Jibas.
What did they give you mind? What did they give you mind, G-Fresh?
Jibas, me no get time to listen to nonsense.
What did they give you mind, G-Fresh?
Jibas, no let me talk to you. I don't want to talk.
No, me they ask you question. No, you don't fit talk to me, G-Fresh, because now only you no go read 24 hours, G-Fresh. They go video you. They'll flog you.
Wait, they'll
flog you.
You are very stupid to tell me that rubbish. You are very stupid to tell me.
Osas.
Sorry.
Just set.
I beg. Jibas, it's okay. Jibas, it's okay.
Personally, made the matter just they're not going to talk about
just that. They prolong the matter like saga. And this matter no pass say, I'm sorry, you are sorry. Finish. Everybody rest.
Tito Saga, you don't already tell and say you did sorry. I don't understand.
Because even as Osas still say they sorry. Normal game.
I will change the topic of
if not get the help, man, give me. I need it.
Mona, wait. I want to talk something about. Yes. Don't bring anybody up again. Don't bring anybody up.
Go take fight on
Don't bring anybody up for now.
Osas.
Don't bring anybody.
Osas, wait.
Mona, wait. I don't want anybody contribution again. Mona, wait.
I know, sir, you don't want anybody contribution,
but I
want
to wait. Ah, God. Wait. See, one thing for this life, una no dey understand me. Me, I be wise person, I be wise being. If person dey bring something come with aggressive, with emotion, I don't already calculate and say this thing no dey come easily. You understand? I try to use laugh for the first time. Una no dey understand, like the way we take dey do things. He still come like he stand, he threaten. I ask am say, why you dey threaten me? Because this threatening of a thing not be first time. You know understand? You don't fair do anytime we will take get issue, you go to threaten me. You know who I be this one. No, bros, no, they don't they do all those things, sir. You know that. Wait, nah, bro.
Now, I mean, they tell you me wait now. So I do want to
I respect you. Wait. Me wait there, so wait, come like I know where. Me wait.
I know say you know well, so I call G-Bars.
If it be say everybody wait there, yeah, so nobody mad reach me.
No,
you know that. But wait. I say wait. You get why? I dey tell am say make you know they threaten me because e not really good for me. You know understand? You dey threaten me which I don't do you anything. And the girl, when me and she talk the issue, she come up, express herself, say see how it happen for your own eyes. I say okay, you see they insist. I say okay, it's okay. Sorry, but bros, no they threaten me again because people wey don't do it, their end no good. Now just simple thing. You know that, sir. You be my friend, so that lie of threatening, it go come on. No matter say we get casino, you don't need to threaten me. This matter not even reach to say maybe you dey find another thing for inside this matter. You know understand? As I say, you dey find another thing for inside this matter. Now you go come dey do like this. You understand? You come dey insult people. Where be say you know say all those people they don't do things. You know understand? They don't do things for this platform. Don't bless everybody, both you and all of us. No matter what, you don't insult your helper. You understand? As they tell you since say rest, say you wrong. Tell me say okay, I apologize to you. In presence of it can't be 600 people, I'll be 500 people. When it be 200 people, I know I apologize. But when people don't many, I can't apologize to you so that the thing will go better. And this is the way we talk. So now just 30 people, they online. So you say you here, you did there. You not come ask me as a friend instantly. Say, Osas, why you go talk like this? They tell you say, okay, fine, I go apologize instantly. Somebody wey can't tell you, I tell you say you even use your mouth saying that person can't tell you later now. No sir, they ask you, can't they change and say you were there? Like say you they carry us the waka say we don't know. Maybe you get another motive of you doing this. Are you getting me? Because anytime when I want to do show like this, problem they always they come, I they overcome man. You know understand? But it's okay. I'll beg Oga G-Bars, I beg, no do anything. Just leave him. You understand? The cost no go kill you. Anything where you talk no go do you anything. You understand? Now still our brother. Mona leave him. Mona forget this issue. I don't want to hear again. I don't want to tell anybody contribute in this matter again. Make this matter just die. I'll go call G-Bars, beg on my own. You understand? So it's okay. Anybody not discuss this matter again. Thank you.
So what were we saying? So I don't carry my friend come out. Earlier I said I want to buy you those size 5 thing. I be medium size. We'll continue our previous
Mona wait. I be more than blessed. Because I dey sleep and I rush, I just rush come out from inside. I go carry my pikin. Wetin happen for here? I don't want to make it happen next time again. I don't want to know the respect of person where you be. Pay me say I not be up because I try make I not jump into conclusion, just rush come on. But should in case of next time, make it not happen again. Because if I dey up, this thing for not reach like this. But in case of next time, I don't want to hear say you be my friend, make it not happen again. We have banter, but you threatening people is uncalled for. Now, man to man, everybody be for here. We should end like this. I beg. Make it not escalate path like this again. Please. I'm begging everybody. Mama, good afternoon.
It is well now, though. When I take am easy, now what I got to talk, sha. And I always I will still try talk. When I see they try to the filter on our ways. If you know you get issue with Percy, try more and they try to filter on our ways, I beg. And if you get anger, you should try to confront if they come in public. It's not nice. Cannot be small children you won't come talk to. So if you don't want me person sit talk to you anyhow, you mind the way you say talk. I got to talk, because it's just too much. I don't understand. This is why, Sha. So I say me they not talk. I gave nothing. For Zaza the OT. That's what I'm
They still do not talk again. Anywhere, you lead that issue.
No, sir.
Don't finish. When I talk on that thing.
No, sir, not there.
I call your name. Now me send you, may you talk past your house.
No, sir, not there. No, sir. From UK.
Osa they drive. They drive.
Mommy, what you want to talk now? Let's say me they leave the matter.
Want me I fiangbu you? Me I send people may control you.
I mean,
for you.
No,
mommy, me follow you. You not follow me. Now you me one mad now.
Wait, you say you want flog who? You want flog be? I'm using your flog. You need to talk.
I follow you, not follow me.
No, tell them they carry
don't worry,
you.
me.
You don't set. But I say you want.
You don't set like this, so you want to use some.
Hey, well, life is gaga. Base, who they them on a whole casa. Hey,
I beg, you don't set.
G-Baz, you don't do now. I mean, you can't send lion. Just that angry. They send to start lion. I beg,
wait.
Ceci and Jeff, you not follow me like this way. Now, Paul Passion, say make offend.
They're not the. No matter how about this class.
I know where this thing now. I know yes.
Okay, no yes. Okay, good.
I'll carry me.